How pretty is this eyeshadow look? And it was so easy. Let me show you how to do it. For this look, I used the Morphe ICY FANTASY palette. First, I used a primer eyeshadow base by P. Louise 0.5. I'm going to put this all over the bottom part of my lid, going a little bit above my crease. I have hooded eyes, so when I look forward, my crease kind of disappears. So you want to make sure that you go a little bit above that if you have hooded eyes. And then I also go a little bit in the inner corner and underneath, because I'm going to be putting that light purple color all over. And then just kind of buff it out. Before I start putting on the eyeshadow, I went in with a purple eyeliner. This is by L'Oreal Paris, Infallible Pro Last Longwear Eye Pencil in the color Aubergine. So you're going to go into your waterline and get into those lashes. And then I also went all on the bottom. The first color that I'm going in with is this purple color called Dreamer. And you're going to put this all over your eyelid. Make sure if you have any creases, you kind of buff that out first. I'm not sure what happened here, but I lost my audio. I was saying to put the purple all over your eyelid, and if you have hooded eyes like I do, go a little bit above where your crease would be so that you can see it when you look forward with your eyes open. I also went into my inner corner and underneath my eye. After you apply the purple color all over your eye, you're going to go in with a big fluffy brush that's not too dense, and you're going to blend out the edges, bringing up above the crease. And then I also go underneath my eye and blend out under there too. Then the next color that I went in with this dark one, it's called Arctic Abyss. And I'm using a pencil brush. So I'm gonna tap off the excess, and then I'm just gonna go around the outer corner of my eye just to darken that up a little bit. And here. Focusing closer to the eyelashes and the outer corner of my eye. Underneath, I'm focusing from like the middle going out. Then you can go in with a fluffy brush again to blend that color. And bring that up too. Now I'm going to go in with the shimmer color. This one right here, it's called Euphoria. And we're going to put that on as a topper. So you could use your finger, or if you'd like, you can use a brush. So I'm going to go in with a brush and just put that over top. Look how pretty that is. This color is really creamy, so you don't have to tap off the excess. And you can bring this out as far as you want. It's your look. And then I'm also going to go on the inner corner and underneath. If you need to, you could get a smaller brush. And I also went underneath a little bit. How pretty is that? So pretty. So after you have that on, if you need to darken up your eyeliner, you can do that. But I went in with some lashes. I used Ardell Wispies. Now the trick to lashes is you want to put them on your eye to see how they fit your eye shape. And usually you want to cut a little bit off of the end to fit your eye. My eyes are like a small almond, so I always snip about the last little section. While I wait for the glue to get tacky, I'm going to put on some mascara first. This will help the eyelashes to blend in. And now for the lashes. And then if you want your lashes to blend in even more, you could add more mascara if you don't care about using them later. I really love how this eyeshadow look turned out. Comment and let me know if you're going to try this. And if you do, make sure to tag me. Have fun!